You're watching Foxtecc, and in this video, I'll walk you through what to do if your iPhone Mail app isn't showing all of your emails. If messages seem to be missing or not loading, there are a few settings and checks you should go through. Let's get right into it. First, check if your Mail app is set to show only a limited number of recent emails. Go to Settings, tap Mail, then tap Accounts. Some accounts might only sync the last few days or weeks of email by default. Adjusting these settings can make older emails visible again. Next, make sure your email account is syncing correctly. Go to Settings, Mail, then Accounts, and select the email account in question. Then go into Fetch New Data and confirm that either Push or Fetch is turned on. If it's set to manual, your emails won't appear until you open the app and refresh manually. Also, double check that important folders like All Mail or specific labels in Gmail are selected to sync. This makes sure you're not missing emails that are stored in folders outside your inbox. And when you're in the Mail app, try swiping down in the inbox to refresh and load any new messages. Sometimes emails are getting filtered to other folders like junk, archive, or spam, so make sure to check those as well. And of course, a stable internet connection is essential. Mail won't sync if your iPhone is offline or struggling with signal. If you've tried all of this and your emails still aren't showing up, it might help to remove the email account completely and then re-add it. That can often fix deeper sync issues and get everything working again. Thanks for watching. If this helped you get your inbox back in order, be sure to like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more iPhone help. See you later.